Manipur Chief Minister Biren in a speech on Tuesday asserted that influx of illegal immigrants with fake Aadhaar cards is a big threat to the indigenous population of the state. Singh reiterated that his government had launched the war on drugs to save the present and future generation in his speech after attending a virtual event of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which launched, inaugurated and laid foundation stone for multiple projects related to the health sector worth over Rs 12,850 crores at All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi yesterday. The Chief Minister attended the event through video conferencing from District Hospital, Thoubal, where the Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone of critical care block of the district hospital to be constructed under PM Abhim. His government is committed to protect the indigenous people of the land, he said, and added that how can we accommodate all illegal immigrants entering the state? The Chief Minister said that his government has also imposed strict legislation on buying and selling of land in the state. A cabinet subcommittee has been formed to deal with land transactions, and prior approval of the committee to any land transaction has been mandatory.